Today I'm going to be talking about the MSA Performance Exhaust for a Datsun 280 or 240Z. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Grayson McTaggart. I like making videos about cars, especially my Datsun 280Z. So if that sounds cool to you, be sure to subscribe down below. Leave a comment on what you want to see with this car or any of my other cars in a future video, and I'll try to make it happen for you guys. One other thing that I want to talk about right before we jump into the video is I actually am selling Datsun stickers now. If you like this Datsun, if you like the paint job, if you like anything about it, or if you just want to support the channel, you can go pick up one of these stickers. It's linked down below on slowlifeslaps.com. That is kind of the new brand that we're making to associate with the channel. So if you want to pick up some merchandise, that's where we will be releasing any merchandise. Slow Life Slap stickers, Datsun stickers, maybe hoodies and t-shirts in the future. And so this is the official announcement that if you want to buy merchandise to support the channel, you can do so. There's a link down below on slowlifeslaps.com. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel as much as you do. For everybody who's been asking, you can now pick up stickers. With that said, let's go ahead and get into the video. As I said, we are going to be talking about the MSA Performance Exhaust for my Datsun 280Z. I actually installed it in a previous video a while back, and now that I've driven with it, now that I've experienced it for a while now, I kind of want to make a follow-up video reviewing it and telling you my thoughts about it. Now, I did install this exhaust myself, so we're going to be talking about how easy it was to install. We're going to be talking about the price of the exhaust and the quality, and then I will also be driving and revving this car so you guys can actually hear what it sounds like. To start out with, probably the best aspect of this exhaust is the price. It's a very affordable exhaust. It comes in at just under $200, maybe a little over that. I'll have a link to it down below in case you're curious to go check it out for yourself. But that's probably the best aspect of this, is pretty much the full exhaust except for the headers is just around $200, which is a very nice price point for an exhaust, especially compared to other more expensive cars. However, leading into quality, that's where you kind of see the $200 value. It's not a nice, shiny, polished stainless steel exhaust. It's just steel tubing with flanges added, as well as a muffler and a exhaust tip, so it's not super nice, but it gets the job done. The build quality is very sturdy. It feels very built. It doesn't feel like some cheap tubing that you can just punch and it'll dent. It does feel like it will hold up well, and it has held up well for this time. However, something associated with quality is the install. The install was not super great, because this exhaust didn't line up as well as I was hoping it to. If you guys remember that video, if you guys watched that video of the install, the whole rear of the car just didn't line up. I checked other videos, a bunch of other people were having the same issue. The exhaust would hang really low in the rear of the car, so it would scrape on stuff as we went over it, and there wasn't a great place to attach the hangers for that rear muffler. So it just wasn't a great install experience. I actually had to take it somewhere, and they charged me a couple $100 more to cut and re-weld the exhaust so it would hang a little higher, and so it wouldn't scrape on everything. So the install experience was very poor. Even if you took it somewhere, they probably would charge you a lot more because of how hard it is to install this exhaust. It just doesn't line up well. And a bunch of other people have this issue other than me. So overall, I'd probably give this exhaust around a 3 out of 5 on a scale from 1 to 5, just because it has a good price. The quality for the price is very good, but the install was very difficult, and that quality definitely was reflected in that. It just didn't line up well. It's like they designed it for a different car and then just kind of jerry-rigged it onto a Datsun chassis. Now with that all out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and start up the car, rev it, as well as drive by a couple times so you guys can really hear what this car sounds like. This is a cold start on a 1978 Datsun 280Z with the MSA Performance Exhaust. Anyways, that's gonna pretty much do it for this video. If you guys liked the video, please leave a like and comment down below on what you want to see next, and subscribe if you want to see more of me and my Datsun in the future. And one last reminder, if you guys want to pick up a Datsun sticker, there is a link down below, slowlifeslaps.com. You support the channel and you get a cool sticker, so be sure to go check that link out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.